Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Kind of a tough trading day today. Really didn't give us much opportunity. If you didn't buy it last night on the quiet to unchanged opening, I thought about it actually, but I didn't know how to post trades overnight. I know now, but I'll only do a trade if I'm posting it. You guys will be privy to every trade I make. Right now we have a small short on. It's a tick against me. I've got a new high stop on it. I might lower that stop later on. I don't want to take a lot of risk. Market isn't really giving us a ton of negative signals here. Even though we are in what I think could be a fifth wave up, could be a C wave of a fifth wave. The wave counts are there. We're just not getting the reversals that we want to see to start with the aggressive shorting. Right now, the market is stopped against some important Fibonacci extension targets. I know Ali loves watching those things, and I see it on the bonds, but it's not the C equals A target that I love so much. It's C minus a half. So it's a 50% Fib extension of the previous rally at today's highs at 28 in the bonds. And it's the 618 Fib extension at 132.31 in the 10-year. So we've gone a little bit further on the 10-year. We're matching an extension target perfectly on the bonds, but we're not getting conclusive reversal behavior. I've been talking about how the dollar weakness has been driving the risk on, risk off trade. Dollar gapped up last night. It came off its highs intraday, just like the S&Ps, and the crude rallied off their lows and gold rallied off its lows. But the way those markets came off their lows doesn't look impulsive yet, or trend type move. It looks like you're part of still a big corrective pattern. I've been talking about this now for the last week. We're looking for a change in this corrective pattern at some point here. The old commodity saying, right? Sell Yom Kippur, sell Rosh Hashanah and buy Yom Kippur. Well, Yom Kippur is Wednesday. It would have been a decent trade. You wouldn't have had a great, if you got out of your longs and you're waiting until Wednesday to buy them back, you're probably doing a nice job maximizing some kind of gains. I've been long in gold and silver stocks. You guys know that. I took a little bit of a beating today. I almost got stepped out of both of them today. I didn't get stopped out of the stop close only on Friday on the SIL, the silver miners. My stop is actually below the lows of late last week. I want to say it's like 24.30 something, risking like 70 cents on that trade. What I'm looking for is some kind of impulsive trend reversal here, and we're not seeing it. Like I said, we've done 5 waves, but sometimes these corrective patterns will go more, 7, 9. We want to see the conclusive reversal behavior after we've done this move, and we're not seeing it. The markets, you have to wait for them to tell you. I have a tiny short on right now. I'm down 2 ticks on it. I have a new high stop on it. I might lower that stop tonight if we don't start getting some kind of reversal behavior. Equities are bouncing back a little bit in the post-session. We're closing in another 2 minutes here. We're going to close right on our afternoon session highs here. 133 even looks like on the 10-year, and 147.25 on the bonds, right near the highs. I don't see anything reversal behavior about that yet. We did reach targets, check 1. Volume's light, check 2. Open interest probably fell, check 3. So you got all these little warning signs, but you don't have conclusive behavior. So maybe you put a small short on like we are right now, and you keep a tight stop on it. If it starts to trend, then you can press. If it doesn't start to trend, you're going to get stopped out, and you're looking for the next trade. And that's the name of our game. Well, that's about it, guys. Have a great afternoon. Have a great evening. Beautiful day in Chicago. 60, sunny, gorgeous. I'm going to try and go and get a little exercise, walking the dog, and I'll take a look at the markets when they open up a bit later on. Have a great night.